Welcome back, guys and girls. Well, today I have a short little tutorial for a hack. What this is in regards to is people have been complaining for a while now that when they are using an HDMI adapter that they are getting an HDCP copyright warning and it's not allowing their videos to play, or they are getting a black screen with no video while the audio plays normally. And I actually started having this issue a few weeks ago after my iPhone updated to the iOS 14.4 update. And other than that update, all of the other equipment is the same that I have been using for months and months now. So here's a little workaround that I came up with, and I am running a 2020 SE iPhone. So I have not tried this on other phones or other iPhones or Android phones, but it does work for me. And I think it would probably work for other people. So you guys can try it and see if it'll work for you. So I'm on Hulu right now, and I will start one of these movies and see if we get the HDCP error this time, because it doesn't always happen. And it seems like when you're watching a series, you know, a TV show that has multiple episodes, it doesn't do it if you go on to the next episode within a certain amount of time. And I don't know what that amount of time is, but it seems like if you pause it for too long, then you end up getting that error again. So I'm going to click this movie here, and we'll just see if we get the error. Ah, there it is. Okay, so this is copyright protection, you know, blah, blah, blah. Here is what I do to get around this. And then we will address the black screen if it happens. So, unplug your HDMI adapter from your phone or your iPad, whatever you're using. Close out that warning. Restart the movie and wait until it starts. Now it's probably going to buffer forever. Okay guys, I'm going to pause the video and get this to stop buffering, and then I'll come back.